Welcome to our 3D Studio Max tutorial. To set up units. Set the units according to your project needs, example meters, centimeters, inches. When you use US standard as the display unit scale, you can select either feet or inches as the default for type-in entry. If you select feet and enter 12, the result is 12 feet 0 inch. However, if you enter 1 feet 2, 3ds Max identifies the second digit as inches, producing 1 feet to inch as the result. Setting up the page in 3ds Max involves configuring your viewport and rendering settings to ensure your project is displayed and outputted correctly. For unit setup, now go to Customize. Choose System Unit Setup. Change the system unit scale value, if any need, select inches. And click OK. Using US standard. Choose this option and then choose a US standard unit. If you choose a fractional unit, the adjoining list activates to let you select the fractional component. The decimal units require no additional specification. The US standards are as follows: fractional inches, decimal inches, fractional feet, decimal feet, feet W fractional inches, feet W decimal inches. Now we choose feet W fractional inches and 1/32. And default units choose inch. And click OK. Or metric. Choose this option and then choose a metric unit, millimeters, centimeters, meters, or kilometers. I've finished work and it's all done. And click OK. The dimensions of the line show 1 foot 6 inches and an additional 8/32 inches. It is the second part of an inch. If you do not want to show this, again go to Unit Setup. Change 1/32 and select 1/2. Click OK.